Now, college is sold to us as the vehicle for upward mobility, right? This, as the story goes, get into college, get a good job, and boom, you're on your way to the American dream. That is true to a large extent. College graduates make more money over a lifetime than non-college graduates. But the caveat there is that college costs so much more now and has increased the debt burden in our society. So I created this program in response to the fact that the level of college debt in the United States is out of control, to the tune of $1.75 trillion. That's trillion with a T. This is in part because as college costs have increased, household incomes have not kept pace. So families have increasingly relied on debt to fund college. So if you take a look at the numbers on this slide, this is the average annual cost of a US college education. So the average cost per year at a private college or at private colleges is $54,800. And that's just average. It can be as high as $80,000. And then in this example, that's the cost at Lafayette College, which is a private liberal arts college here in Pennsylvania. The average cost at a public college for an out-of-state resident is $44,150 per year. And that can go as high as $56,000. And in this example, that's for Penn State, the flagship public university of the state of Pennsylvania, right? And the average annual cost for a public college for an in-state resident is $27,330. And again, that's average. It could go as high as $37,000. And again, this example is also Penn State. So these costs are quite high. And for many families, it's beyond reach if they're paying out of pocket. And if you're an international student from a developing country, the forces of globalization may be putting so much pressure on your country's economy such that a US education is completely out of reach without funding. So our goal at the College Fully Funded program is to help high achieving, ambitious students successfully apply to and get admitted into college with full funding and avoid debt.